Friends, I just want to remind you that even though library buildings might be closed right now, there's still tons of digital resources available for you to use. And maybe you don't have a library card, we can do something about that. If you go to Skokie Public Library, they have e-library cards that you can apply for, and they will email you a library card number that you can use to access all of their digital resources. Same with Niles-Maine District Library. They also have a little online application you can use to get a library card right now. And then you too can use all of their digital resources, their ebooks, audiobooks, video. I also want to remind you that library buildings might be closed, but librarians are still working. You can contact us. We will answer emails. If you're having trouble with resources right now, we can even do a little Google Hangout. So contact us, let us know what you need, and take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.